We just finished the moisturizing step of our Korean skincare routine out here in Korea, and now we're going to finish things off using the Lab Series All-in-One Defense Lotion. This All-in-One Defense Lotion not only has 35 SPF to act as a sunscreen, but it moisturizes your skin even further and allows it to retain the hydration that we've added throughout all the other steps within this Korean skincare routine and effectively just seal things off. To use it, we're simply going to open the cap, apply it to our palm like so, and then just dab it onto our face and massage things in gently. Here we go. Always massage on your face very gently. Do not apply too much pressure on your face skin. Don't forget the neck. The neck is very important and is very easily to get sunburned if you forget to apply there. And there you have it. With this final touch, we have now completely completed our Korean skincare routine, and our skin is looking nice and shiny, and smooth, and hydrated. So if you're looking for a sunscreen to use as the final step in your skincare routine that is not only going to protect your skin from the sun's rays, but moisturize it further and maximize hydration, then pick up the Lab Series All-in-One Defense Lotion for yourself today and start enjoying amazing looking skin.